First step, open Premiere Pro and insert the media that you want to be cropped in your timeline. After that, select the Effects panel. If this window is not showing, simply press Shift+7, or you can go to the top options bar, look for Windows menu, click on it. With the Effects panel open, click on that blank space. Type on it the word crop. After finding the effect, click on it with the left mouse button, hold it, then drag it to the media that you want to apply the effect to. With the effect applied, go to the Effects Controls panel. Now that your media has the crop effect added, I want to make the sunset in this image go to the corner of the video. For that, we will start by cutting the left side of the photo. To do so, go with your mouse over the number that is next to the left menu and click on it with the left button of your mouse. Then, drag the mouse forwards or backwards until it is as you wish. You can also change the amount of the crop effect by the other way. You click on the number on the right side of any menu. Now, change the amount. Type in how much you want and see the results. The crop effect also has two extra functions. The first one is the zoom tool. After cropping the media, you can select this box. That will make your cropped media upscale to the size of your video. The second extra function is called Edge Feather. With that, you can make the crop you just applied smoother and less raw. Extra tip: you can use the crop effect to make a transition. To do so, select the media and drag the crop effect to it. After that, select the direction that you want the transition to go. In this example, the transition will be going to the right side of the screen. To do this, drag the pointer of this timeline to the end of your media, click on the clock on the left side of left menu, and create a keyframe in left. Change left to 100. Now, go back to where you want the transition to start and decrease the value of left. Here's the result. So that's it, the complete guide to use the crop function in Premiere Pro. Try it by yourself and report any questions or issues in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content about Premiere Pro and many other stuff. Bye!